When you picture the American Revolution, when you close your eyes and you conjure up an image, what do you see? Most of us probably imagine something similar and familiar. Men in tricorn hats, George Washington crossing the Delaware, standing heroically on the bow of his boat, the Continental Congress, men with quill pens bent over parchment, Paul Revere galloping through the dark, or Minutemen on the village green. These are powerful images, and they've been with many of us since childhood, and the men in them were genuinely doing something remarkable. But here's what I want to explore today. These images, these imaginings, they've been curated by the founders themselves and generations of subsequent historians, artists, citizens, Americans, all memory makers, curating what the revolution looked like and who got to be in the picture. History, the explanation and the exploration of who, what, where, when, why of the past, doesn't happen on accident. And when these decisions were made, roughly half the population got cropped out, or at least demoted. So those imaginings may not be entirely incorrect, but they are incomplete. So today, we are going to uncrop the image. We're going to widen the lens. We're going to look beyond the most legible revolutionaries to some of the women who actively sustained the revolution, not only as supportive wives and mothers waiting at home, but as economic actors, intelligence operatives and eyewitnesses, camp followers, military assets, political thinkers, and propagandists. And we're going to ask at the end of our time together today a harder question. Why did their stories disappear, or at least get relegated to the margins? And what does it mean that they're coming back into view, especially as we approach the 250th anniversary of American independence?